Hello and thanks for watching this video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Velixo for Acumatica. Velixo is a product that allows you to integrate with Excel while connecting to your Acumatica data. So at the top of the screen, you can see this new tab in our menus called Acumatica. If we click on it and we take a look at our connection manager, you can see we have this new screen to add a connection. It's the connection to Acumatica so that it can talk to Acumatica live. You can also see through this menu, you have the ability to have distribution lists. Distribution lists are for maybe emailing out these reports, any spreadsheets that you have. We have the ability to write back to our general ledger, write back the budget, even integration with project, and you can even talk to generic inquiries. But in this video, we're going to talk about some simpler things, such as getting balances out of GL accounts. So the top of the screen, you can see here, I have some headers regarding the company. The company essentially is the connection. We just saw it here under Connection Manager. And the ledger. So in Acumatica, we have multiple ledgers, but there is one actual ledger, and we've chosen that here. And then a date. So we're looking for December 2019 as the period. But what I'm looking to do here is put in and go backwards in time, 11/2019. I should be able to drag this out now. So you can see we now have a few months at the top. Now over here, we have the ability to put in an account number. Maybe there's an account number that we want to see. That'd be that. Or what we can do is we can go to Acumatica tab and we can insert our chart of accounts. Velixo pops up and asks us for what connection. We can include only active accounts if we want to, but we'll click insert here. And you can see very quickly, Velixo's gone out and read the chart of accounts that are in our Acumatica system. Now over here, we can pick a formula. So if we go to our formulas and we insert a function, you'll notice here, we can select a category. Acumatica is over here, Acumatica General Ledger, list functions, projects and audit functions, and generic inquiries. That's new. So if we go to our General Ledger, we can see the account balance, account class. We have a number of functions here, but let's pick the account name. The function arguments come up. Velixo gives a very good description of all the different fields and what they do. So the connection is what we talked about. We'll highlight it here. And the account will be right here. And we'll click OK. So now you can see quickly we've gotten the account description. Now to move forward with this, let's anchor this A2 so that as we go down, the descriptions will come in and we won't have to keep picking the connection. You can see how fast that is. The next thing we want to do is pick up an account balance. So again, if we go to insert function, we'll pick our ending balance. Our connection is going to be here, and maybe we want to fix that. Our ledger will be here, and we'll also anchor that. The account class, we'll keep it blank. The account itself will be column A. And what we'll do is we'll anchor A so that it doesn't shift over because we're going to need it for this other columns. Then we'll scroll down and our as of date will be this one right here. And again, this time we're going to anchor our row. So we don't want to lose that. And we'll click OK. So now we've picked up our ending balance for petty cash for the period December 2019. We'll bring our cell down and pick up these other ending balances. And again, you can see how fast this is as it refreshes. Notice the error to net income because that's not a calculated ending balance. So what we'll do is we'll hide that. And what we'll do is we'll take this entire column and move it over. Make these cells a little bit bigger. And what you can see really quickly is we can produce a financial statement and still live in Excel. This may be useful for bringing in external data and having a lot of freedom and flexibility, and also use the Excel charting system, as well as the Excel formatting. It can be a lot easier. Want to show some more information? Maybe the account type. Add it and bring it all the way down. Maybe we want to put some headers on this. We can do that. And maybe we want to put a filter on this. We can do that. Only include expenses and income. And you can see have so much flexibility using Velixo reports. Let's open up another tab here. We'll zoom in a little bit. And we'll choose GL Writeback. So this gives you the ability to, inside Excel, you can give it a description if you want. You give it a branch. Give it a ledger. Anything that's required in Acumatica for the journal transaction. And then simply enter in journal transactions. Give it a description if we need to. And when we're all done, we can import the current worksheet. Acumatica automatically opens up the journal transaction, and you can see it right here, ready to be released. Same thing goes for Budget Writeback. You can create a new worksheet for that. And this just gives you a sense of the power that Velixo Reports has. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.